Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Vechain price update. What's the price changes over in the Vechain? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Anyways, now the right now price of Vechain in the market is about 0.088432 USD dollar. That is right now price of Vechain. Anyways, furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Vechain, so 0.21% positive changes occur in the Vechain last 1 hour. Last 1 day changes of Vechain are completely going in the loss. Very badly the price of Vechain dump. Just in only last 1 hour update is positive, but guys, the previous update of Vechain is very badly decrease, very badly dump, guys. So I'm very worrying about that, guys. Anyways, let me show you price chart. Now the price chart is going very good in the market, guys. In a previous time the price of Vechain very badly dump, but don't worry, guys. Now everything will be okay. You have to just wait, you have to just patience, guys. Anyways, now what is your prediction, what is your update about Vechain? Also share in the comment box, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos, guys. The live changes occur in the Vechain is about negative 5.06%. Right now price is about 0.0882 USD dollar, guys. So you know what, guys, why I'm very happy to see Vechain? Because due to these latest changes, guys. Now the latest changes, you can see here that the price of Vechain pump. So possibilities that they continue this pump for a long time and they will give us profit, guys. So that's why I recommend for all of you to please hold, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.